A really great way to learn about the nursery industry is to go to a nursery or to be part of the industry. Research, learn, educate, explore the industry. Join garden clubs, go to gardening events. What opens up as a whole new venture and a journey for you could actually be an interest or a career for you. In fact, one of the many ways that people learn more about this industry is through correspondence education or going to a TAFE face-to-face education system. They are great ways to learn. Social media can be helpful, but can also be distracting and also very damaging to horticultural knowledge. But at the same point of time, if you follow the right people who have the experience and the knowledge, you will get that right advice. Remember, this is an earth science study. It's all about nature and working with nature. Now, we can incorporate it at home and it can be part of our life. We don't have to make a career of it. But if you do wish to make a career, there are huge potentials, huge career opportunities. Your choice, hobby or career. It's up to you. And that's my tip for today with Paul Plant Horticulture.